Hello eBay and welcome to my no reserve auction. I'm having a few of them this week. This is the 2017 Jayco 284BHSW and this is going to be a really brief video. You got your electric tongue jack, electric awning, outside speakers, 284BHSW. One owner. You got a small outside kitchen there. If you want to look at it, look at my pictures. Nice tinted windows. Good looking trailer. Hasn't been towed hardly any. The owner's had it for 6 months. Outside shower. It's a 2017 model. Let's head on inside and take a quick look. It's the 284BHSW, still in production today. It's got the Island Queen. Get to hop over this one, or have skinny legs. U-shaped dinette makes into a bed. This jackknife sofa makes into a bed. Nice big kitchen area here. Really clean, nothing objectionable. Looks like about a, oh my God, 49-inch, 50-inch flat screen. Got two great big bunks. Got a rear bath. Nice rear bath. Skylight in the shower for you tall people. Nice. Very nice trailer. Nice and clean. It was a young couple. Had one daughter and no pets. So it smells nice and clean in here. Nothing objectionable. Have a good day, and I hope you enjoyed my video. 2017 Jayco 284BHSW.